Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're at Bill Thomas Campers in Wentzville, Missouri, looking at you can see the badging right there, a 341 RDS. It's a 2022 Grand Design Reflection 341 RDS. Packed in here tight. Here we open up the door for the LP, so we have LP bottles up front, and then we have the pass-through storage. The sticker price on this unit is $90,032, and if you contact Bill Thomas Campers, they'll work with you on that price. Their link is below. New, used, service and parts. Here you can see the aluminum floor joist, so you know it's a very well-built, solid floor RV. And speaking of the floor, we have well insulated. It's a four-season RV. The walls have an R9, the floor has an R30, and the roof has an R40 tandem axle. You can see right there as we open the door and step up inside. This RV sleeps 6, 3 slides. The length is 36.11, so just under 37 feet. The awning is 21 foot. As we step inside the kitchen, I really like this floor plan. It's something unique, something different. To me, it's more for a couple with children, whether they are your grandchildren or your own children, but you can seat them right there so they're easy to keep an eye on. And then in this area, you have 2 fold-out couches as well as theater seating, flat screen TV, entertainment center, and a fireplace. I could see this really coming in handy if you had multiple children. They could sleep out in this area with the couches folded out, and then that way you can move around in the kitchen. You right in the middle of the coach. So to me, that's a nice floor plan. As I show you the pantry, plenty of room for your dry goods, your pancake mix, your cereals. As we open up the oven, and then a 3-burner cooktop, which is really, in my opinion, one of the nicer 3-burner cooktops. Very solid, heavy grates. And then I really like the exhaust fan there right behind it, as well as a window behind that. So here we open up our refrigerator. It's a 16 cubic foot refrigerator. The length on this, as I mentioned, is 36.11. The exterior height is 12.6. So it's a tall one. Hitch weight is 2,042. Gross is 13,995. As we open up the stainless steel sink with the swan neck and the shower, so you can pull that shower nozzle down and spray off, and then you have the subway tile for a backsplash. Your dry weight is 10,910 pounds, so 3,000 storage. As we take a look at the bathroom and the shower enclosure has 3 glass shower doors that slide open and collapse or accordion on each other, opening up to a 30 by 48 shower with a sit-down area, and then shelving for all of your shampoos and conditioners and those types of things. Your furnace is a 40,000 BTU furnace with a 15,000 BTU air conditioning as we step inside the bedroom. And your tank capacities, fresh gray and black, are 74, 87, and 47 as we peer around the bedroom. So there's the 15,000 BTU AC unit. As we lift up the bed, we have a queen-size bed and plenty of underbed storage. So very convenient as far as the storage is concerned. This RV has a 50 amp electric service, so you'll be able to handle all of your camping needs with 50 amps. As we open up the sliding doors on the closet that are mirrored doors, as you can see there. And then we have shelving units inside for shoes, sweaters, whatnot. And then I peer around the corner. You can see it's pre-wired, pre-plumbed for a stackable washer and dryer, or you can have a washer on this side. And as I pivot across, and I do it slowly and gingerly so it doesn't get you sick, were pre-wired for a dryer on that side. So you can have stackable or you can split them up. Whatever you decide to do, whatever works best for you. As we look at our bedroom again and head out of the bedroom and back down into the family room, gathering room. So I failed to mention that is a 50-inch television screen in the family room. If you look straight ahead to the rear of the RV, that's a 50-inch television. What do you think of this floor plan? I like the fact that you have the fold-out couches all at one end and then the kitchen in the center, so you can still operate when people are sleeping. And you don't have to worry about cutting through.